Hi everyone, I'm Joel. Did everyone have enough time to scan the QR codes? Awesome. Kraft Heinz pledges critical 20% cut to virgin plastic before 2030. Riverside Natural Foods takes on plastic pollution at home and abroad. PepsiCo's sustainable move uses recycled plastic bottles. Aldi joins Refill Coalition to reduce single-use plastic packaging use. And it goes on, and 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 on. So, what do all these headlines have in common? You're right. These are all initiatives made by brands in an effort to increase the chemical safety or sustainability of the packaging articles that they use. But what else do they have in common? You're right again. They're very messy and hard to keep track of, or even to know whether they exist in the first place. Enter the BRID, the Brand and Retailer Initiative Database. It's a database that organizes all these commitments and initiatives made by these brands and gives you an overview of what's happening. We do not rank or review or follow up on these commitments. It's more meant to be a one-stop shop for all of these commitments. However, we do link to resources that do rank or follow up with these commitments. And lastly, it's a living database that's constantly being updated. So if you know of any initiative or commitment that's missing, then let us know. And so this is the last thing you'll need, where to find it. Here's the QR code and the link. And thanks for listening, and enjoy the rest of the show.